2019 CrossFit Open is here. 19.1 just posted with only 2 exercises. I'm here with Coach Khizer from Grip Strength CrossFit.
Hello.
How are you feeling about the workout?
Pretty good. Just not good for short people, but oh well.
Gotta get into it.
Yep.
So we're gonna show you 3 different exercises right now to get you prepped for this workout, all right? Coach K is showing you a simple calf stretch right now, all right? The wall shots, you're gonna need your calves loose. All you need to do, 2 sets of 30 seconds per leg. Second exercise we have for y'all, a quad stretch with a lean. Okay, you're gonna need these for your wall shots as well.
Yeah, so basically what I'm doing is I'm just trying to lean forward to get more intensive in my hip flexor area. You want to maintain your balance and just make sure that you get that full hip stretched out every single time so you can use those for your wall ball shots.
Last exercise, everyone, a mid-back extension. All right, Khizer's gonna explain how to do this one.
So basically this is a great stretch for the wall ball shots and also for the rower as well as you're pulling on the actual handlebars. So what you want to do is you want to start off about a little bit high, get a nice solid deep breath in and blow out. Keep making sure that your glutes are still hitting onto the ground, come all the way to the ground and then come back up. And then if you want to get a little bit lower, stretch out additional areas for that mid back. Come all the way back, hold in that position and then slowly come on back forward.
That is all we have for you guys. Good luck on 19.1. Khizer, how can we find you at Grip Strength?
At Grip Strength CrossFit on
Facebook
Instagram,
and Instagram
and
too.
www.gripstrengthcrossfit.com.
Happy training, everyone.
Good luck.